How's it going, guys? Today's Saturday and I cut my grass. And today I'm going to be installing my last accessory. Let's unbox it. Alright, let's open this box. It says for something. Let's see. Yeah. Comes in a Ziploc bag. Some hardware here. Wow. Look how big it is. Another Ziploc. Look at my hand. Wow. That is beautiful. Nice green. Wow. Let's open up the other one. Oh. Oh yeah. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Alright, here it is. So, it comes with a left and a right. And notice this side does not have any spikes. I'm wondering why. Not sure. Look how big that is. Wow. Wow. Okay. I hope it fits. Alright, let's take off this clip here. Okay. See, here's a little washer. Push this. Be careful, there is a spring. So slide it out. Wow, and that spring went flying someplace else. I don't know where it went. This could have hurt somebody. I have no idea where that spring went. It just went that way. Yeah, I could have hurt somebody pretty bad. That was kind of stupid of me. Oh good, the new kit does have springs. Alright, let's just do a quick comparison here. Wow, look at that. Check out the new pin. New pin looks a little bit... okay. It is not long enough. Old pin, new pin. New pin is not long enough. Must use old pin. Just a side note here. Springs are different. They're not the same. So I just have to figure out which side is which. Alright. Oh my goodness. What am I doing wrong? Okay guys, since I'm having such a difficult time, I'm gonna just take off the foot peg mount over here. See if I can do it that way. Ooh, got it in. Oh, stupid. Get in! Get in! Get in! Yay! Now let's put it on the bike. Alright, installed. Only took a little while. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, here I am doing the other side. Let's see if I can not lose this spring this time. Hey, that was a little bit safer. Oh wow. And look, extra parts. Okay. If I can use this spring again. Oh, I'm out of luck. No luck. Spring is a whole lot bigger. Darn it. I was hoping it was going to be a little bit faster. Alright, I got it on. Well, kind of, sort of. See that one on that side? Straight. This one is like, what the heck happened? I was just about to do a victory lap. Looks, it's supposed to be like right over here. I'm not sure if this is upside down. What the? That looks fantastic. Alright, I'm gonna mess with this. Maybe I'm supposed to put this back. I don't know. I'll find out. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I'm gonna have to call this one a half win, half lose, because on the left hand side it looks like it's a little bit off. Seems like inside here it needs to be shimmed a little bit more. Maybe a thicker piece of metal would do. It'll stop it from going in more. But it does look nice. It does look fantastic. Yeah. These will definitely come in handy. These are much wider and it's going to hold my boots down better. And hopefully I don't get hit by them because they're going to hurt. Yeah, I like it. I like them a lot. But this side is just bothering me. I'm not a professional. So if you do this, do it at your own risk. The link is going to be in the description down below. And I thank you so much for coming by and checking out this video. This is probably going to be my last upgrade for a long time, or maybe even the last upgrade. I kind of have the bike set up to where I want it. Yeah, I'm enjoying this bike a lot. It's all dirty right now. The track, the trails, the beach, they're all closed right now. So I'm gonna go have some fun in the yard. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be posting a lot of it, but yeah, if you think if you can think of a setup or maybe some kind of accessory that this bike needs, that I need, let me know in the comments here. But yeah, this bike is pretty much set up the way I want it. Oh, I got the number plate on. It's all dirty. That's okay. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. Signing off. Aloha and take care. Alright guys, so I'm making an insert over here to put, or in the back over here. That way the pedal's not like leaning forward. It's not symmetrical for me. So I'm just gonna add this right in the back over here. Slide it right inside. Okay. Alright guys, spacer made. And it looks great. It's nice and even. Brand new foot pegs, scratched up. But hey, it works. It's nice. Alright, just keep in mind, if you purchase these foot pegs, you're gonna have to do the same thing as me. But you're probably more handy than me. So, alright, thanks for watching. Aloha and take care. Guava. Guava, guava, guava. Guavas. Alright. Banana.